What's the deal with HMB supplements? Are they legit, or are they just another overhyped thing in fitness? I get it. You walk into any supplement store, and it's like an explosion of promises. Build muscle faster, lose fat quicker, recover like a superhero. Hmb, or beta-hydroxy-beta-methylbutyrate, is one of those substances that has a growing fan base, especially among gym goers who are tired of DOMS, delayed onset muscle soreness, ruining their week. But is it magic? No. It's science, though, and it's worth talking about. Hmb is a byproduct of leucine, an amino acid you're probably already getting from the protein in your diet. The idea is this: Hmb helps reduce muscle breakdown during exercise. This matters because muscle breakdown is like the enemy of gains. It's why you feel shredded but weak the day after a brutal leg day. The pitch for Hmb is that it safeguards your hard-earned muscle while still allowing you to push through tough training sessions. Does it work? Well, yes, but it comes with a few footnotes. A broader study of Hmb tells us it's most effective for people just starting their fitness journey or those in recovery after long breaks. If you're an elite-level athlete hoping for a revolutionary edge, it's not going to catapult you into superhuman territory. For beginners, though, some studies show a 27% boost in strength gains and a reduction in muscle soreness. Honestly, that's nothing to scoff at if it's your first year in the gym. Seasoned lifters might feel more underwhelmed in results. The timing and the amount also make a huge difference. Most research suggests you should take 3 grams a day, ideally split into even doses. A solid half hour before your workout tends to be the sweet spot for kicking in during your session. Too little and its effects diminish. Too much and your wallet takes the hit without added benefit. And honestly, supplements are expensive enough without being wasteful. Now here's the cool part. Hmb operates like a shield. Think of it like body armor for your muscles. If you train hard on Monday but want to train just as hard on Tuesday, Hmb can potentially reduce that muscle soreness and help you recover faster. It's not replacing your need for proper nutrition and rest, though. That's the rookie mistake people make, thinking supplements are solutions instead of supplements to your broader lifestyle. Get your sleep and eat your protein. Let's tackle the elephant in the room, Dr. Mike. People snap to attention when someone like him mentions Hmb. He's known for blending evidence-based discussions with approachable advice. And, yep, he's publicly said Hmb has been beneficial, especially for people in their mid-30s or beyond who are dealing with age-related muscle degradation. That isn't to say it's a miracle cure, but Mike's seal of approval does help bring it into focus amid the supplement chaos. The pain point for some folks is the cost. A month's supply of Hmb can run anywhere from $20 to $40, depending on what brand marketing you're buying into. If you're tight on budget and already eating clean, you might honestly get comparable benefits by just dialing in your protein intake and prioritizing rest. But if you're hitting consistent plateaus or ramping up intensity, that extra hit of support might be worth it. Here's the thing most gym rats won't tell you. Supplements like Hmb are the icing, not the cake. People love buying products because it feels proactive, but for 99% of trainees, the fundamentals, progressive overload, sleep, diet will outpace any pill. Hmb fits into a program like a refined tweak. Think of it as fuel for those last stubborn percentages when you've already done everything else right. One sneaky awesome application of Hmb? Cutting phases. When you're in a caloric deficit, your body's all too happy to break down not just fat but muscle too. Hmb has a reputation for preserving muscle better under calorie-restricted conditions. If you're dieting hard but still trying to keep your gains intact, this might be where Hmb flexes its muscles. Pun fully intended. Pro tip: if you're curious about Hmb, I'd avoid the blended all-in-one products that pack it with a dozen other ingredients. Look for standalone Hmb in powder or capsule form to know exactly what you're taking. A lot of those combination powders water down the doses, so you're not even getting the full 3 grams you need. Don't let slick packaging rob you of results. Another overlooked factor is age. Hmb seems especially effective for older adults who naturally face muscle loss due to aging. Some studies suggest older athletes experience a bigger percentage gain with Hmb than younger users. If you're approaching your 40s or beyond, this could be a sneaky smart addition to your toolkit. That said, talk to your doctor. It's not something to pop mindlessly. In the world of supplements, HMB is one of the less flashy contenders. It doesn't promise to double your bench or shave 10 minutes off your 5K time, but it thrives in the real results, small-scale niche. Whether or not that makes it worth adding to your stack depends on your training age, goals, and budget. For me, I say experiment. Worst case, you're out a few bucks. Best case, it's the nudge you needed to hit that next benchmark.